In business, is it better to be a first mover or a fast follower? It depends on the market, but the vast majority of the time, I'd rather be later to enter the market, with the speed to make quicker pivots and adjustments than those who had entered before me. That being said, I'm not heavily involved in the startup scene. I've never ran a tech company, that just isn't the breed of entrepreneur that I am, and this may have an effect on my opinion about this. That being said, they say you always know who the pioneers are. They're the ones lying dead on the ground with arrows in their backs. This is supported when you look at some of the world's biggest companies. Google, Facebook, Microsoft, Amazon, etc. were not the first people to enter their space. There were search engines before Google, social networks before Facebook, operating systems before Microsoft entered the market, and e-commerce before Amazon. A lot of entrepreneurs base their vision off of assumptions. Assumptions that things will go right, that the path is a lot more straightforward than it actually is. Assumptions that the marketplace will learn about and want to use their product, despite how difficult it is for somebody to change their habits. Assumptions that there is even a demand for their product in the first place, that a problem exists that is bothersome enough that people are willing to pay for a solution. They overvalue their ideas and their vision without having any solid data to merit it. When somebody else tries it out first, you get to learn a lot, and you start to prove or disprove some of your initial hypotheses. If the first company is succeeding, you know that there is a demand. You get to learn from their successes and failures. Which caused each to happen? What could have been done differently? This may have all been something you would have had to spend a lot of time and money to learn on your own. What is that company doing right, and what are they doing wrong? How can you position your product to cover all their shortcomings? After all, their customers have likely been vocal about their needs, now that they've actually been introduced to the product. Using this information, you can enter the market for a cheaper price, with lower risk, and perhaps even with a better product. What's important is that you're quick to make changes and adjust, even after entering the market. Otherwise, you leave yourself vulnerable as well. That's my perspective. Hope that answers the question. For more business tips, be sure to visit my website at jamesmcallisteronline.com and subscribe here to my YouTube channel. Thanks and have a great day.